What does al-i'tikaf mean in the Arabic language? الإقبال على الشيء والاحتباس فيه. I'tikaf means in the Arabic language, it's to face something. It's to face it wholeheartedly. And it's to imprison yourself in it. And they said it comes from the word عكف على الشيء. The person, he stayed and stuck with something. إذا أقبل عليه مواظبا لا يصرف عنه وجهه. It is when he faces something with continuation and doesn't turn his face away from it. That's what it means in the Arabic language. That's what it means in the Arabic language. And that's what is taken from the ayah, تَمَاثِيلُ الَّتِي أَنْتُمْ لَهَا عَاكِفُونَ. Idols which you guys are doing i'tikaf under. Meaning you're sitting and you're remaining under it. الاعتكاف means اصطلاحا هو الإقامة في المسجد بنية التقرب إلى الله عز وجل ليلا كان أو نهارا. It is to remain in the masjid with the intention to get closer to Allah by staying in the masjid. Day or night, it doesn't matter. Whether it's day or whether it's night. We've defined i'tikaf in the Arabic language and we've defined it in the Sharia.